The duo was happy to be together for the LA event after Caitriona had to skip the London debut. Season 6 started March 6. Back to you. Outlander stars and on-screen lovers Caitriona Balfe and Heughan reunited for the LA premiere of Starz hit on March 9, 2022. It was a delightful moment for fans of the show, as the leading lady had to skip the show's previous London premiere because of other world obligations. Sam and Caitriona smiled softly while getting close for a photo together, looking perfectly at ease with one another. The Irish beauty was the epitome of effortless elegance at the screening, where she rocked a breezy, long, black maxi dress with a white, double-breasted blazer over her shoulders. She added some color with a zesty orange handbag in addition to a yellow and blue ribbon supporting the people of Ukraine. Black pumps, long straight locks, and a touch of bronze eyeshadow completed the look. Related gallery. Outlander's sexiest moments, photos of Claire and Jamie's hottest scenes in the show. Meanwhile, Sam went with a handsome monochrome look, donning a dapper dark blue jacket and pants with a matching navy sweater. Opting for a laid-back look, his chiseled jawline was covered with golden stubble. Caitriona recently raved about her chemistry with Sam, telling Extra TV, "We've been so lucky during an early March interview together. I think you never know who you're going to get to work with, do you? I just feel really grateful that from day one, Sam and I have really gotten along, and I think we also both made a conscious effort to really have each other's backs, and we knew that whatever length of time we would have on the show or whatever the journey was going to be, he and I were the only two people who were going to understand this unique experience." Though fans hoped that Caitriona and Sam's connection would lead to real-life romance, the Irish beauty welcomed a sign with music producer husband Tony McGill in August 2021. Meanwhile, Sam was spotted kissing a mystery brunette in NYC in early March.